Having trouble with your Spectrum cable box volume? The primary way to control volume is using your Spectrum remote. The volume up and down buttons should adjust the audio. If you're using a soundbar or receiver, ensure your TV's HDMI ARC audio return channel port is connected for seamless audio routing. Also, double-check that your TV and soundbar are not muted. Alternatively, the Spectrum TV app on your smartphone or tablet offers a volume slider that syncs with your device's system volume. Voice control is also an option. Just say, "Alexa, turn up the volume on Spectrum," if you have it linked. If you still have problems, check your HDMI connections and update software on the device. For a deeper dive, let's explore audio output settings. Press Menu on your Spectrum remote, then navigate to Settings, Audio, Audio Output. Here you can select HDMI eARC for pass-through to TV's soundbars, optical for digital audio to receivers, or analog RCA for older setups. Enable Dolby Digital DTS for surround sound decoding, if supported by your setup. If the volume still doesn't change, check for HDMI handshake issues or update your box's firmware via Menu, Settings, System, Software Update. If using external speakers, ensure the box is set to surround sound and not stereo. By 2025, Spectrum has made it easier to control your volume, and adjusting these settings are key for optimal audio.